Yo, 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 it's your boy Chip, and we're here for a market analysis on the week of 12/22. Christmas is right down the road, so we already know what happens in the market around this time, right? There's a lot of manipulation, but also on the other hand, there is a lot of things that are going on in this world, economic system wise is what I mean, that are showing great signs of swing positions. Next year, 2020, is right around the corner, and I'm very excited. The market will be moving very, very nice. So today, what we're going to go over, we're going to go over USDNOK, we're going to go over gold, and we're going to go over CHFJPY. And let's go into it. I'll probably just put a little Bitcoin at the end. So let's go into it. So I'm going to mark up from a monthly. We know that off rip. So you see this candle right here? I'm going to see this candle right here, right? So what I see this as, even the previous, we get some pin bar and it's on our resistance. So I don't see price wanting to go up any further from there, right? I want to see this actually go bearish, right? So I'm going to put this trend line in here. This looks like a very simple, straightforward trade, right? So I'm going to put my trend line. Trend line is made. Now, I'll put this a little bit further. So we have about from current price, right? We'll wait for the break. The break is going to be the break of the monthly low. So to the trend line, that's 1,300 pips, and that's from the weekly. The daily even shows some nice nice signs right here. Move that trend line for a quick second. Yeah. So we're looking 1,400 pips on the USDNOK. What I'll do is I'll put some perimeters in here. There's the low. It's testing that area. I'm also going to see what's up with this area because that is very valid, as we can see. Valid. Prices were rejecting this area. Look at that. Every single time it came here, it fell down. Look here, it fell down. So I want price to come back to that area. Even if this trend line is touched, which is that area, right? So we can even plot a high right here. So these are just little points for anyone that's looking to either enter or to take some profits. So now we have a bearish movement, right? We have, yeah, so we're going to take that down about 1,400 pips, guys. Down to that trend line. If this ends up getting broken, this trend line alone, we'll go for the further entry. And at that time, we'll probably see just a slight pullback, but then we'll see it actually wanting to fall more down, right? Reason why I see that is because if price ends up coming through here, we'll end up getting a retest. Remember, at this area, it always falls, right, or rejects, right? A reject right here, fell this area, rejection. So I would want it to go down, right? We get another shoulder, and go right down to the support. So that's why I see it on there. Okay, now let's go over to gold, because gold is looking beauty. Gold should be going bullish. Just looking at price now. Okay, now, and this is flat consolidation, right? We get a pin bar, we get some reversal patterns in there. I see this, what was this, about 1,000 pips. I see this as just a pullback, right? Price had to correct itself. It had to have a little quick correction. And our new day is actually, which new weekly candle alone will be coming out here on the open of the market. So I want to see this actually go back up to the resistance, right? Which is about 700 pips. So I see a 700 pip move up to the 1554, right? 1,554. That's about 700 pips from current price. From the break, you know, if we want to wait for that break, because price could reject around this area. Look at this, very consolidated. So this might be the resistance of this area. It could want support if it, so we want to wait. We do want to wait to enter that. So if price ends up breaking this high of the month, we'll take it to the upside, right? We'll see it come here, test a little bit, and go right back up to the upside. But if not, we'll want to see this just go right back down to support, which is about 350 pips, which is nice, which is still some bags. So you can capitalize on that. So I see this going bullish as this week goes. Let's see. I do see this going bullish. All right. So let's go to CHF JPY. Go to my monthly. Let's look at it for a quick second, right? This right here on the monthly about 3 months ago, we ended up getting a reversal on the support. So I see this going bullish. I do indeed. It's caught nice support, right? It's caught nice support here. So let me plot that. Go to the resistance, plot this, go down to my weekly. And look how very bearish this looks, right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little trend line in here. Put this trend line in here. How much to the trend line? So if we ended up getting a bearish move, it would, I see it going for, let me fix this because we're on a different time frame. Okay. So we'll see about 87 pips to the downside, 90 pips. And I see this as going more bullish. We're still on an uptrend. As you can see, even on the weekly, we've been going up. Long term, it's been in a very consolidated, motion. So for weeks, it has been consolidation, but it has been hitting a floor. It broke this area, which I'm going to plot. Broke this area, meaning it passed this area. We got our bullish movement to come out of here, and right, actually right around where that 70 pips was. That should be the retest. That should be the retest, so we can go right back up to the upside. So if you want to wait for this this low to be hit, which is 110.486. If you want to wait for that area, you can. If you want to wait for another area, which is this area, reason why I'm plotting that is because I see this higher, right? We're wanting this trend line to be hit. We're wanting this trend line to be hit. So there's another area at 110.686. At that area, we could see the market going for a bullish movement, right? So that's CHFJPY. So for a recap, we have USDNOK going bearish, about 1,700 pips for this week or for the weeks to come. We have gold going bullish, about 700 pips back up to resistance. I'll see if we can catch that resistance. If not, we also see that this going down to the support, which is still 300 pips, 370 pips, which is very, very nice. And now we have the CHFJPY going down about 70 to 90 pips and then going back on the bullish movement. Okay. So if you could um, look at these charts yourself, get a better explanation on your end. I'm no robot. I'm no wizard neither, but just studying these charts will make you very, very nice on these charts too. So study, study, study. And the holidays is coming up, so enjoy yourself a little bit with family. Have give thanks, give gratitude, give love to those around you too. Um, so for, thank you for tuning in. If you could, like, comment, subscribe. If you could, subscribe and put on that notification, that bell onto the side. You'll get every single thing that I post out, all of my trades, that I put out for the week. I also go over mindset on Wednesdays. So keep that notification bell on. Subscribe, share to your friends also. And I appreciate you all for tuning in into the Chip Trades Analysis. And you guys have a blessed holiday.